Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change the taskbar and Explorer background and highlight colors inside of Windows 10. This is a quick Windows customization tweak that can help your desktop and user profile stand out from the rest. To do this, left-click on the Start button on the lower left and choose the Settings gear. You can also get here by searching and choosing Settings in the search bar. Inside of Settings, select Personalization, and then on the left side menu inside of here, choose Colors. Scroll down into the Accent Color section. If you've never made a change inside of here before, chances are the auto selection is already chosen. Uncheck this and then choose a color that you want to use from below, or click Custom Color if you want to dial in a custom color. In order to see the changes, put a check mark next to Start, Taskbar, and Action Center at the bottom. You will then see the color change in the taskbar as you make your selection. You can also change the color accent inside of a File Explorer window. I'll go ahead and open a window so we can see the changes being made. Back in Settings, put a check mark at the very bottom next to title bars and window borders. You'll then see a thin border appear around my window here, and when I head back over to the File Explorer, the title bar will be highlighted in the color that I've chosen. When you're finished with your choices, you can go ahead and close Settings. And that's how you change the taskbar and File Explorer color accents inside of Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.